Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. I hope you are doing well, and perhaps this is your first time to be here. You are so welcome. Thank you so much for stopping here. I really appreciate. I do not take it for granted, and you will do me well if you will subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that subscription button below and become part of us. Here we love people, we love God. You are so welcome. And please do not forget to like this video. Don't you want to give me a thumbs up? And also, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. So you are so welcome on my channel. On my channel we do different videos, so many videos here, videos about natural hairstyles, quick, simple and not sophisticated hairstyles. You will find them here, hairstyles that you can do on your own at home on your hair, and DIYs and free advices on how you can grow your hair, how you can take care of your hair, simple ways that you can do at home by yourself to help you grow your hair. It is possible to grow your hair. It is very possible. You just need to make a decision. You just need to come up with a working routine. So simple and so easy. And you know, growing natural hair is just about being consistent and doing the right thing for your hair. So if you are struggling with natural hair, don't worry. People have been there, people are doing it, and you will do it too. You have that power. You have it, like you are able. You will make it. Okay, so you are so welcome. So in today's video we're gonna talk about something that is going on right now. So many people are making videos about how to grow natural hair, how to grow your natural hair using cloves water. So I want to talk about that. And so I want to talk about how to grow your hair using cloves water. So I think so many people are doing it and they're doing it the wrong way. I think so, because I'm saying this after trying this on my hair with this method that I just tried it for the first time, and I felt like people should be doing like this, not the way they are doing it. I think they're doing it the wrong way. Like so many people are boiling cloves for a long time. Like some are boiling for 20 minutes, some are boiling, I don't know, 15 or 30, I don't know, but I feel boiling cloves is not good. Do you know why I feel like that? I feel like when you boil the cloves, you are destroying the nutrients and the vitamins in the cloves that are supposed to be helping your hair to grow. So when you boil that for those 20 minutes, 15, 30 that you are boiling those cloves, you are destroying it, baby. So you need to stop it. It's not the right way, it's not a good way, because you know, why should you decide to boil cloves when actually you can soak them? And when you soak the cloves, it will still give you the same results and the best ones. I'm saying this because I soaked my cloves for 3 days, and I'm telling you the solution that I got, it was conch. It was the best solution I have ever made from cloves. Like I felt this was the best way to go. And when you soak them, you know, you will get those everything that is good from cloves. You will get everything. Nothing will be destroyed. So what you need, you just need to prepare your cloves and then soak them in your water and wait for a day or 2 or 3 days if you want. And I did something. I added oil in it, and it worked out so good. Like my hair felt so good after spraying it on my hair. And perhaps maybe this could solve the problem that people are experiencing, saying it could dry your hair. Maybe you need to add in some oil in it. Maybe if you haven't, try and let me know what you think about this. And also about making clove oil. Some people boil oils with cloves in it. That is not the correct way. That is not the correct way. If you are boiling a natural oil, oh my goodness, you are destroying it. If you want to make clove oil, I have shared a video about that here on my channel. Just blend or grind those cloves into powder and then mix with your favorite natural oils and then keep it away for a week, and you will have your good smelling cute cloves oil. Okay, so don't boil. Don't boil them. You are destroying them. You are destroying the goodies in those cloves that is supposed to be helping your hair. So another important thing that I almost forgot. People are spraying cloves water on top of their hair. How will you spray your hair and then expect your hair to grow? You are supposed to be spraying your scalp. That is where your hair grows from. This is where your hair comes from. So you are supposed to be spraying that spray here on your scalp. Don't spray it on top of your hair. Make sure you focus on your scalp, because the intention is for your hair to grow. The intention is to promote hair growth and to speed up the growth. So focus on spraying on your scalp. So I hope this video has been so helpful. Thank you so much for watching. So let me know what you think about this. Do you boil the cloves? Do you find this helpful? Do I make sense? So let me know in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.